Welcome to J&J's test video of 9477. This is a 2007 4Runner SR5 two-wheel drive with a 4-liter in it. Has 200 and I believe 15,000 miles on it. It is a runner, but they took the drive shaft out, so we can't drive it around. I'm only going to run it a little bit. Runs really nice. Fairly clean engine. Hit there in the front. Oh, it must be locked. Seats are nice. It's not a bad truck. All right, we'll show you the... As always, have your pets spayed or neutered. Thank you.